Good afternoon. My name is Jay Bachman. I am Vice President and General Manager of Wayne Automation Corporation. Wayne Automation is an OEM designer and builder of secondary packaging equipment for the beverage, container, consumer packaged goods, and food industries. Wayne Automation is a fully integrated manufacturer providing the highest performance, highest quality equipment on the market. In our 49th year of business, we're proud to say that our first customer today still remains an active customer. We focus on quality and performance above all else, and that is exemplified by many of our customers continuing to use equipment 20 and 30 years after it was first installed. I'm here today with Tony Cavelli of Innovative Fiber. I'll let him introduce himself and tell you about his company.
Yeah, thanks, Jay. My name is Tony Cavelli. I'm the field sales manager here at Innovative Fiber. We're a family-owned and operated business located in Franklin, Wisconsin, and we manufacture cost-saving solutions for the baking industry, bakeable corrugated trays. Our concept is that you are able to deposit, bake, ship, and sell all in the same tray, not having to worry about washing the metal pans, having employees set up the trays, and we've partnered with Wayne in them forming our trays on their TR50 tray former. Jay, what is the TR50 Wayne tray former?
Yes. So the TR50 is Wayne Automation's premier piece of tray forming packaging equipment. This is not a new design piece of equipment for us. It is actually a fielded, proven, tested machine in the packaging and food industries. However, to perform optimally with Tony's product, we've made a number of enhancements and evolved that machine. So first, we have changed it to all servo motion. The all servo motion gives us exceptional performance, reliability, and consistency in our paper handling. That's extremely important because the quality of the formed tray that Tony provides is the shape of the finished product. So a poorly formed tray or an unsquare, a wrinkled tray will have a direct impact on the net appearance of the finished product. Second, we've changed it to a dual adhesive system. First, there's a hot melt adhesive system that provides the quick, instantaneous bond to seal that tray, allowing us to achieve high production rates up to 50 trays a minute. Additionally, though, we have added a cold adhesive system that provides the durable, oven-safe, oven-proof bond needed for that product to survive in the baking environment. Lastly, with our full servo control, gives us a range of capabilities not typical in other tray forming equipment. We can form trays with straight 90-degree sidewalls as required, or if the customer has a requirement for an angled wall side tray compatible with automated cutting equipment, we can provide that tray angle wall at a very consistent, reliable angle, giving our customers the performance and the reliability they need. Tony, why don't you tell me a little bit more about your product and what differentiates it from other commercially available solutions?
Absolutely. So our product, we are able to laminate any kind of material off of a roll to our traditional corrugated material. So if we're working with a dense product like a brownie or bar, we're going to use a vegetable grade parchment paper. If we're working with a sheet cake or cornbread, we're going to use a material that's able to handle that runny material, that runny batter, that parchment paper wouldn't be able to handle. We also have leak-proof corners. So in the way we laminate our material here, we're providing a leak-proof corner once it's formed on Jay's machine to your customer and your customer's end line.
Innovative Fiber and Wayne Automation are not new to each other. We've actually worked alongside each other for nearly 20 years. Innovative Fiber and Wayne Automation first partnered supporting the baking industry with a solution, and that partnership has continued to flourish since then. This latest partnership of ours is to further develop our equipment to be optimally configured to handle the leak-proof trays that Innovative Fiber produces. What's really important, I think, from our end is that Tony's tray forms the end appearance of the product. So if that tray is formed badly, wrinkled, not square, then that will affect the end appearance of the product. So we provide that additional level of control and performance to ensure that not only does the tray not leak, does it perform through the oven, but that it has the correct appearance necessary to meet your customer needs. So why would you choose Wayne Automation and Innovative Fiber versus another material and another equipment provider? We've leveraged our 20+ year history working together to provide not a separate machine and a separate product, but to really provide an integrated solution for the end user. Our machine has been tailored and customized and modified to work optimally with the Innovative Fiber product to give the best possible performance. This leads our customers to have a fully integrated solution that gives them a high quality output at high speed with high reliability at minimal total cost of ownership.
So to add to that, Jay, I believe that Innovative Fiber and Wayne are the way to go when it comes to tray forming bakeable material because of Innovative Fiber's custom abilities, our ability to take away the metal pans from the environment, having to wash the metal pans, maintain the metal pans, as well as provide a leak-proof tray that's going to get through your system and to your end customer efficiently and safely.
If you feel that the solutions that Innovative Fiber and Wayne Automation have available to you can help your business, please feel free to give us a call or visit the website, and we can begin to discuss your solution with you.